Which gas makes up most of Earth's air? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon. Correct answer, nitrogen. Which ancient wonder still stands today? Hanging Gardens of Babylon, Statue of Zeus at Olympia, Lighthouse of Alexandria, Great Pyramid of Giza. Correct answer, Great Pyramid of Giza. Which part of the human eye has no blood vessels? Iris, cornea, retina, lens capsule. Correct answer, cornea.